Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the truck, we have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, transmission dial up top, push button 4x4, automatic headlights and fog lights there as well. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with the black Chevy bow tie in the center there. Column shifter with push button ignition. We do have the 8-inch touchscreen navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot all piloted through there. Dual zone climate control with heated seats. We have parking sensors, auto stop start, as well as an integrated trailer braking system right here. USB charging ports, all black interior with the Bose audio equipment, and then our black leather heated seats in the front for the driver and passenger of the Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package there. The Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires there. Black door handles, beautiful gray metallic paint job. We got the black door handles and mirror caps. Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift in the front there, so a little more of a bigger stance. Black front bumpers with the black Chevy bow tie, Z71 with the red tow hooks. Coming to the rear of the truck, we got our LED tail lamps, black bumper there, trailer tow hitch, and dual exhaust tips coming out of the back of the bumper there. Jumping up into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here do have in-seat storage, as well as you do have the car seat ready. Rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom up top with LED lighting. We got a sunroof up front there, USB charging ports, and then that 60/40 split allows those seats to go almost perfectly vertical. We do have a little under-seat storage, but tons more room on the ground for extra cargo there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevy Trail Boss 1500. If this is your next 1500 V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City. Shop online at gslgmcity.com.